Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting hardware and network ready, so plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and power it via the TV USB or included adapter. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV is on and that both TV and Chromecast join the same Wi-Fi network. 2. 4 GHz or 5 GHz works. Once done, switch the TV's input to the Chromecast HDMI. Next, open the Google Home app on your phone to detect the device and get ready to cast. Once Google Home detects the Chromecast, tap to start setup. You'll see a short pairing code on screen, confirm it matches, because that prevents cross-device errors. Then assign a room name so casting finds the right screen and let the device install updates. This may take a few minutes. Make sure you accept requested permissions on your phone, location, and local network access, because they let apps discover devices and share Wi-Fi credentials automatically. To cast, open a supported app, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. The stream appears on the Samsung input you selected. If audio or lip sync feels off, go into TV settings and set HDMI audio format to auto or PCM. That often fixes decoding mismatches. If casting fails, power cycle router, TV, and Chromecast. Check both devices are still on the same Wi-Fi. As a last resort, factory reset the Chromecast and repeat setup,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.